a movie, we take cartoons and put whatever with the green screen.
So would you make the world know your story, or you keep it private? Certain knowledge, certain.
And think about the energy of music. I will love music. But I reach the point where I feel like the performance part of music, I ain't that sharp at it no more, like I used to be, but getting the energy back in it, that's what I love. So, a lot of people know me, but more people can still know me. Who I am, presenting.
Turn it down a little, turn it down. Turn it. So a long time you do it?
Music. I've been loving music ever since I could remember when I used to go visit my grandmother. And she used to put New Battery in the radio. For me to listen to music and dance. But it just so happened that in Jamaica, I traveled away when I was young. So that kind of reggae music energy, I kind of drift away from it to another stage of life where it took a long time for me to get back into it. I always loved music, but to get back into writing and recording. But I was like 51 years old when I started doing that there. I can't do it for a long time. Yeah. So ever since people started seeing my work, it's like they encourage me to do more because they like what I do. But since I like what I do, I know what.
My name Peck, what is it? Pepper?
Pekka.
Pepper.
Pekka.
Pekka.
Yeah.
And what that mean?
Well, this is what I want to learn for. When I was a youth man, going, they used to call me Pekka. And then I leave and go far and I end up with a lot of different alias names. I come back home and then they changed from Pekka to King Peck. Yeah, and ever since then, it's just King Peck or Pekka RK3, that's the name. So it just fit in to represent me with the music, So I just stay with that name. Yeah, Pekka.
So how did America treat you?
Whoa. America. Damn place that make you and break it. America. Say, I face some whole heap of ups and downs in a damn place where I experienced death. How somebody experienced. I'm truly awakened to know who I am. I eternal being. Where I don't need this damn body to exist. This body will put me in a damn prison here in this dimension from the damn planet. So everything where I see here, from my experience over to the other rim, this is just a damn illusion, man. Nothing here real. Yeah. When I cross over into the spirit realm, and there's some real things there. This body just hold us a prisoner here. Yeah. And you can look on every damn day. To a damn slave, to a damn system. Religion, politics, whatever it is, a damn slave to it. I feel like I disconnect my damn self from a lot of damn things about the damn world because I wholly fire them too. I follow a lot of principles where I grew up and learned from my mama and grandmama and elder person. And thinking those principles was a perfect thing for me as an African. But when I come out of the box and get into my unruly attitude because I want to know more.
Yeah.
So I start digging, searching more, and come to find out all of that was my worst enemy is my slave master to keep me humble and follow a principle that they teach that you can follow. What about what I feel inside of you? What about that eternal existence that make me function? Well, that's what I live by now. Yeah.
As a free man, I'm around some people that are not free mentally, spiritually.
Yeah, because your mind will make you a prisoner in the first place, and that's what they do. They first make your mind enslave you. They become a prisoner to their system, to their plan. I am an eternal being. When I come out of this body and look back and see that's it. That's my house, what I live in, that's what I walk around in. I don't really need it to function. But in this rim where I'm doing up on the planet here, Earth in the rim, this body is what like a car when I drive around. Yeah. I don't need no salvation to say this already come with righteousness, eternal existence, the most side, the kingdom of heaven inside of yourself. What they call it? One word. We didn't give them God, but people that didn't want some food, man, you know. So the illusion what I've been taught to them. Yeah. Now when I look back and see some things with my mom and my daddy stand up for and try to engrave into me. When I'm feeling something different, I come to realize because they were living in fear, which is one of the worst enemy. That damn word fear, the worst enemy. When that take control of you, man, you humble and surrender to things you're not supposed to surrender. And that's what happened to them.
Let's see why you vibe with him. How many years?
Since he come back to Jamaica, I'm going to
I little bit on fight. Yeah.
Pekka,
Yeah.
some of the books you read to liberate yourself, what are some of those books?
Books. You know that? I want book me commit myself. Dig deep into it. And I call it the principle book. They call it the Bible. But we call it the principle book. Because after we study 5 of them, from Genesis to Revelation, and come to find out, say, that book then is designed to keep African people enslaved in their mind, in their body, and in their spirit. We give away all of them except for one. And the only reason why we keep the one there because the one there, we got some secrets tonight where we want to share with people who know me from a spiritual level, so we don't go too much further from the one. Yeah. But that book, man, I think 51 years of my life, I follow that the principle I believe in Jesus. Boy. And one time I start digging at history because I want to know about yesterday. You got to know about yesterday so you can understand today better and decide what tomorrow going to be. And when I go back into yesterday, 50 million years, yesterday, my ancestors in me, you see, say, a long time we had to fight, and they come up with a way out. They could use the concept of religion and politics. control. But only the place that can control it. Because your mind is with God, you know? You can't go anywhere and do anything. You use it right. So they can only control the body. That's why they make all them damn laws and rules and all them damn shit to control your damn mind. If you don't search to connect to the real you, what you feel inside.
Yeah.
Because when you talk about book, I write songs. And I can take words from different places and put them together and they make sense. And it's like, they are my words and they're so truthful. So other people do the same damn thing. You know, so if your mind is captivated by them words that make sense to you and it's profitable to honor and live by, yeah, you can use them because they are words. Nobody don't own them. You take them and put them together how you want to put them together. Yeah, so books. Only one book me did make sure one are the one where they tell me say me feel live by that book, the principle of that book, so me can get eternal life in everlasting paradise. But then when we live on this part of planet Earth and go over this part of planet Earth and start gain more knowledge about myself and about life itself, I start searching to find out where that book originally come from. Understand it came from the missionary. Who is the missionary? The missionary are the same damn man who control the damn slave runnings. I am controlling the missionary. So that means that the book when you say you have to walk by it and live by it, I am write that damn book so you can live by it in law and in principle. Because I know you don't want different land. You want rules so you follow, don't it? So, here it come in a book where it can captivate your mind, body, spirit, and your damn soul. If you're not careful about the damn book and how you live by it. Because some part of it, the words them is meaningful. But some part of it, they lead you down a rabbit hole and never find your damn self.
The book of Maze. It's a maze.
That's the book done. I told me I have something to feel about life, you know. You know something? I learned so much about the ring where I don't make myself get attached to nothing here. Nothing here. Because if you make yourself spiritually attached to anything else, you'll get lost in the illusion and the confusion what they're preaching. Because if you really look at the true thing about life, when you say love, are the master for things in a way.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do they do it?
How many of your neck to watch live?
2
2 here?
Alright. Alright. Yeah. We straighten it out. Alright, so later, here. Alright, done. Check out the door, child. Oh. Yeah. 30 bags or 50? 50.
You know, say how much time I sit in that bag and I'm looking to pick up.
What is
that?
Yeah?
Where is it? Yeah, I see you outside.
Yeah, and then you can eat it today, sir. Tell me by tomorrow. Alright. Bomba Clyde Jr. come and let out the blood now. Phoenix out of the dam. Now when they talk about the damn thing, love, I want them to discover say, love. I don't want to tell me about righteousness. Who righteous? Nobody not righteous because all of us got good and evil in a way. And number one, this damn thing, love. You see, my love start teaching me how to hate. I realize, say, wait, The preacher man not gonna go on like say. He might grind out some creases and all that right there. When he preach about love, so he can go to this pearly heavenly place where they talk about what you just imagination of the day and mind. Because in love. You think about it. Don't love teach you to hate.
Some of them say the opposite.
Yeah, because you see, you got to hate some damn things before you can start loving some damn things, don't it?
Yeah.
So love teaching you how to hate.
So when I teach them, say, when you see them words, yeah, find a word, many words when I have no opposite, and live by those words. That's what I tell them, say. If you find a word when I have no opposite, live by those words. You see me? Anything you have opposite, double sword, right?
Yeah, two-edged sword.
That's gonna hurt you somewhere or the other. Can't live with them man-created words, yeah.
Yeah, then say another proverb where them put another book said, the truth shall set you free. Yeah. And when you find the truth, you start living free because you stop living by them damn fucked up principle where them put in a damn book and teach you. And say if you follow and all of that right there. You start being yourself and be more connected to the energy of the universe.
Facts.
You know, see, because the energy of the universe are the most high. That's what put us to sleep and wake us up. And when you start handling that kind of infinite power inside of you, you know, say, yeah, you're walking with the most high. Because the most high inside of you. And you acknowledge him inside of you. Say, yeah, I give thanks, I give honor. Teach me and let me walk with you in the truth of wisdom and knowledge. Show me how to love. Every day I need to learn a lesson from the most high, you know, say, because I want to know how to do hard things in perfection. Yeah. Where nobody can say no fucked up shit about my damn name. You see all them words I know people might say, I shouldn't use them words. Do they know the power in these words? Why we as African people use these words? They say you fight the rest of us, not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and spiritual wickedness in high places. Them will tell me, say, no, them are word them use to wrestle against them bomb-clad principalities and spiritual wickedness in them bomb-clad high places. They can't tell me, say, no, from the word them to fight them bomb-clad principalities. And in them principle book, what they call it bomb-clad Bible, they tell me, say, them things there exist. Over in the other rim over there, they are so invisible. Demons across over here now. I bug people mind and pressure you for pressure me. I got to rebuke them bomb clad. And they know anytime they use them damn word, they ease the fuck up and move on. Yeah.
So complacency, even in place like here, everybody will fight different spiritual war against each other.
Yeah, because you got one word for mix up energy among we. Can remember saying now? You see now the same damn book?
Yeah.
What we call the Bible?
Yeah.
It said that the sons of God couldn't pan hurt. And when you couldn't you see how for me and you, African women look nice and sexy. Which way they supposed to be like? Don't touch them. It's forbidden. But they want to come take some and fuck them off and me picking with them, so they build one race with them called the Niflin pan hurt. Was displeasing to the Most High, so the Most High said one flood come kill out the physical image. But the spiritual image is here, same way. The pan hurt right now. And they might take over enough bumbleclad people mind and body and make them serve them and do the wicked ass damn shit what they doing. So they still here, and that's the reason why they confused. So we who can recognize, say, the one they in cross trade. See, if you know have a tool for retread him bumbleclad, leave him alone. Separate yourself from him. You know, see, stay your distance. Because if you don't, then bad energy will rub off on you, because you do things where a lot of people are going to come and say you're wrong. Which way they can analyze out how you feel, unless you express yourself to them. So what make them greater than you? You're not greater than you. You allow them to be greater than you because you submit yourself to follow for them principle. So you make them greater than you. Yeah? It's all about the energy, man. That spiritual energy, you know what I mean? It's a fire energy. And I can't do them put in a damn book and teach me some damn things about the nature that I was born and ruled by the damn planet Mars. And I was born as here is the damn wrong, what they expect. I am who I am. So, nobody can come point your finger like you don't know. All of them damn people up in them damn law this and then law that. They friggin' know, cause the first damn day when time we came on a damn planet, I would them make my mama have to go get one piece of paper, sign over. We may become the commodity with a piece of damn paper they call birth certificate. Where they own me and I make riches off of me and I can't even collect no night. Yeah. Your parents sell you out 20 piece of birth certificate when you get it and the fucking preacher man do for it. At first at the damn hospital and then when the preacher man talk about say you come from bumbo clap, baptize in bumbo. When I sell you out to the bumbo class system. See him with the heart class. Oh, hey yo, you see my laptop right there? Think about rapper Romo on the whole of Jamaica. I saw me have history when we dig up and research. I have. We can
Liberate.
my people who want to be enlightened and wake the fuck up and come to the damn truth and stop follow. I want to start build. Feel we want. Me I invent that, you know? Yeah.
You know, say,
Me design things with car, a foreign, and then TV. And one time I do find out how to get the patent and all that and file for my patent and get all of that right and pay for my patent and all that shit, them blood clot blackmail me and set me up for the marijuana and deport me to the country and think they can't take out nothing out of my head, you know. Cause everything when me learn up here, so you write down in the table of my heart. And they know about it and then they in principle book. When they say if you write things on the table of your heart, it there never move. From this life to the next life, every time it change body image. It did that. Yeah. Enough people come back from the planet and don't remember who the fuck they was before they come back. Yeah, and somehow we do.
I slept about the cassava machine that I make, you know.
Me have the, you know, say?
Yeah, but she go and want to hire. So me I try to make sure check you on, but she said she check you and you say you have one next part and put on.
Yeah, because me can't go for Marlon to do something.
I just put it on the cassava, you know. You would never put on a part. I just put it on the cassava.
Nah, man, me take your apartment and design it different. But me can't go give Marlon for all that thing for me and he never get told, so.
So
you know, me have more than one project me I work on, so me just move
it make things.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's man. All of me, you know, since we come to Jamaica, me can't take shower in a cold water like they do out there. And you know, so me design my own hot shower where I can, right now I can, in 10 minutes, I'm taking a hot shower, nice warm shower. Yeah, when me design that myself in the water. And so me design too much, you know, if you do cassava, but they're not quite complete with
I
that.
think there is one.
Yeah.
I am designing, but I'm make it.
Okay.
I am designing, but I'm make it.
Man is an artist.
They call me Pecker, right?
Yeah.
You see the bird in there?
Okay.
And it's a number 8. That's my
Infinity.
my lucky number. And you see the heart. It represents the heart that pump the right energy for life, love, and all that. Yeah, you know. The electricity will run my body is running in this around me. Yeah.
How many years in the States?
Probably 37 of them over there. We live for the grand picnic over there. And we live for adaptive picnic. Some of them still keep in touch with, some of them keep in touch with me, some of them cross over on the other end, so those are a little part of sad memories. But you know, we born to live, and we live to die, and we die to live. That's the cycle of life. We keep going on and on and on. One day you probably leave here, and then you come back again, but in a different image. You now come back in the same image.
King Peck. That's what I see on the video. King Peck.
Yeah, that's what they call me, King Peck.
King Peck.
They give me the name, so that means, you know, I must be having that
Precision.
yeah, to carry out that the title. So that song there got me in the top 40 on Reverb Nation. But, you know, and shit. I'm coming on the rough side of survival right now. Yeah? On the rough side of survival. I am coming up.
So once you have the studio, boom.
Yeah, man, I try to put it together, man, but the finance to finish you up tight. Cause right now, I want to get cement and stuff to go around the front.
Okay.
Yeah. Secure the door.
So the studio. This is the studio.
Yeah. It's a glass for me right there. I do that, you know, so me in there, and look, some man drop the glass and broke it, me have to go take that out and reconstruct it. That's going to be the vice room when time we get to sit on top.
Okay.
And this part right there going to be the engineering part right here.
Okay.
Over there, so, it's just a little entertainment part. Yeah.
So this is the Manchester headquarters. And no spot like this there Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
So them know you all over Jamaica?
Nah, man.
Cause now they will. You just come back?
2 years ago.
6 years now.
When I first come back here, you know, I end up go to a place, town. I go to where Sizzler Judgment Yard. I go with Bonnie Wheeler. I do a couple shows around the place, but it wasn't enough to make people really catch on to me, you know? Because when survival is rough, yeah? So, I experience life already to the max, you know what I'm saying? So me right now, we can afford to just stay on the slow lane and easy. Because me experience life already to the max. Yeah. Me all own my own invention in the car. Yeah. Me design things for car and all that kind of stuff, but that time I knew that how to really go about it. So other people see my creativity and grab it. By the time I come to realize how to go about it, it's going with them to create other things. Yeah. The most I bless me in a way where I don't make no hardship in life. Beat me down. Because when I came to this planet, I only came here with life. When I'm leaving this planet, I'm only leaving with life. I can't take nothing else in the room here with me on the other side that I know. So, when I oppress my soul with the problem of grabbing it and going out the way with beer, I don't see that no more. I just live life and just be happy and share knowledge with people who connect on the same end. Yeah. Because some people, when they hear me talk, say, I'm not a Jesus love, but they look at me like, something wrong with me. Yeah, something wrong with me. It's different from all you think because I wake up where I can see, say, 1 million years down the road. Yeah. Where some people just seeing tomorrow down the road. Me thinking they're 1 million years down the road. Yeah. So, yeah, I think different. Because when you look on when I leave Jamaica and go to America, I ain't know slavery exists. When I live in America, slavery ain't even crossed my damn mind that them things exist. When I came back to Jamaica, start knowing that there are things that I need to know. Not about today or tomorrow, but yesterday. And the day and the day and the day until it comes weeks and months and years and thousands till it comes millions where I need to know. Yeah, I'll go back. I dig up. And I keep going back till I start finding out one damn word with the typology we then use to take yesterday and make it seem like a tomorrow it all come. Yeah, that's how far I go back. Yeah. So this mind, it ain't gonna be surrendering to none of the principles of what they teach in the school, church, politics, and all them only part of it is a connection, this, that, whatever. I don't want to connect with people like that. And I see myself many times not here on this physical world, into the other world. When I travel places and see things, I even can hear dead people talk. Yeah, I even talk to dead too. Yeah, and death is not but a dark entity of darkness. It's just a sound and word voice. That's death. That's the reason with them. He had no power over me, so he mumbling some unknown words and walk away. Yeah.
So, you write a lot.
Yeah?
You write a lot.
If I write a lot. Music. Writing books and all that right then. I consider one day say if I should write, I would write like the topic of my book would be episode of my life. But when I start thinking about my life, it's ain't sure. I don't need to explain nothing about my life to anybody who experienced it in life. This is my experience. Everybody got their own experience. So some people experience make them weak. Some people experience make them strong. Me? I was born a winner. So I got to always continue on as a winner. Yeah. Guys, you see when you come through the valley and the shadows of death, and to the part where they say, yeah, God with me, I and I, rather than I stop, they comfort me. And that when you are born and come out of your mama come into this world, you come here with it. See, you come here with the most high with you already to comfort you, you see. When I enter into all of those words, I gain knowledge in all of these.
So when you talk to most people here, sometimes them no balance with you.
You see, at first, nobody use a privilege to it. I'm insane. Not mad. I'm insane. But you see, when I make my heart back up my word, you start to realize it. Yeah. Take a deep breath and listen some more. Yeah. And when you take a deep breath and start listening some more, they start connect now. Because now I start making things like become reality, like the writing on the wall where you can see. Because now you got to like become the teacher to put it in on the level where the student can grab the truth and the knowledge. Yeah. And that's why I do a lot of history search. Because I come to realize that now real planet Earth running is not only African people get tricked by the system. White people get tricked by the system. Every other race of people get tricked by the system. But the ones them who more get tricked by the system, the one them who got the humble spirit and the humble heart and live on the rough side of survival. And then looking for a savior. Shit, you are your own bomb-buckler savior. What savior you look for? One invisible God who come out of the sky come put things on in front of you. are you your own savior? By doing your own thing, making things happen for yourself, saving your own damn self. Because you already got that infinite power inside of you to make things happen. So, now you see the whole world being tricked. Not only the white people, not only the African people. I mean, I would say black people, you know, because when we look on what they say black, see there, my laptop, a black dot. Look at me. I feel me color that? No. So therefore, I'm not no bomb black man. I'm the other, African. Yeah. Yeah. And that's why they did name me as a Hebrew African man. But as my ancestors, like the other day, you know, me I talk to one of my friends and I tell them, say, if you know saying it exists in a great-great-grandmother in Africa, before he look at slavery over here, so he look at me like something mad. But that seed was already there a long time then. Yeah? And here I come for it right here, so. Same life, the most I people going on. Yeah. So you see how long we dip on the planet there? And how long we there about? See another thing again where they use and turn people in my food where you not even know how holy you is. Because until they say 365 days make 1 year. They ain't telling nothing about the night, you know. They just say the days make 1 year. So if you only count the days and don't count the night, you never know how old you is. Until they say 8 hours make 1 day. Or 12 hours. From sunrise. Know what I know? How you gonna take night and day and make one? And when time in the same book until they say the most I take 6 days created. The heaven and the earth. And the day ain't working, I ain't saying nothing about the night, you know. But at the same time, the most I say, you put up 2 lights. 1 bright light to represent what? The day. And 1 lesser light to represent what? The night. So why they don't tell us, say you have to come night to identify how holy you is. Yeah? And then if you end up go do something wrong and go to in prison, they lock you up for night and day. And they make you do time for night and day. Because they know saying you know, they want you for the time for on the day alone. When night come, they have to let your ass out of the day in prison. Yeah? You see it? But then I can trick your mind, I can tell you about 24 hours, make 1 day. 24 hours, make 1 day, make bomb because to the heat that won't accept that shit in that day mind. So you go. Me see sunlight, a sunlight that represents the day. Darkness, a darkness that represents the night. Yeah. So when you look on me right there now, and me tell you say, by Babylon time, me 62 years old. But by the esoteric African Kemetic teachings, me like 100 and yeah. You see it? And then when you look upon the leap year and think about leap year from that point to this point right there, we can add on some more, so we can come up with that 1 other 4 years down. Right there.
So the calculation off.
Hey man. But guess what though, you know, me thank them for the pressure them put on me. The pressure them put on me, me reach out to gain more understanding of things. And this rims what I'm living in, cause when me read that book to where it come to say, take up your cross and follow your Jesus and do his work and his good will. And if you come up and ras me on my right hand jaw corner, if you turn the left hand jaw corner and give, so you can give me some more punishment in the name of Jesus. That and the day of judgment, me be saved. How would they bomb a class? You can tell me, say, me if you take all of this here, to all my whole life, till when me dead and when me dead and the judgment day, that me be saved? No, man. That the God there for come up with a better deal more than that. So me follow him bomb a class and follow. He might have to come talk to me better than that right there. Maybe. Maybe my bumbo clock. I tell me not tell boss man so me work for him from Monday till Friday. That me may get paid. Cause if Friday come and he don't pay me, I crack my cracking head with singing him up and hold up my pay. I me work, put me sweat out there. No man, that you got to deal with me different, brethren. Okay, I can't tell me about maybe after me don't devote all of my life. Follow this principle here. And you come mention now, maybe. That's not right. So, these are things when we come up and to come to the final conclusion. So, you know, say, if you Lego this damn religious concept of living out of my life, clean out my whole entire mind, my soul, cleanse myself, Lego every damn thing, disconnect myself from the affairs of the world. And then reload my damn self with new ammunition, new knowledge. Yeah. And new knowledge when we obtain and come to the reality of who I am an eternal being. I exist forever. The kingdom of heaven is inside of me, which is the most high, because I say God is in the kingdom of heaven. And if God is in the kingdom of heaven and it's in the kingdom of heaven, He's inside of me. So therefore I am forever an eternal being. I'm just here moving around in this damn body because it got that magnetic field connected to the earth. Iron in my body, electricity in my body. The earth produces electricity and the earth have iron in it. So therefore it's like the magnetic field that keep me down here, so me keep moving down here. But me know say me can't come out of this, yeah. I exist without it because I come out of it already and see it. In my God quality, my God mind. Don't tell me say I dream a bomb clock that's the real part of me I deal with me. Me know who me is. Yeah. When the most I take me and go ride the cloud and show me all the things and say, you're sorry. You thanks for life. My superior. Yeah. That's how I worship my eternal self. Yeah.
People say, man, I feel Luja, why you a buffalo soldier? Things ain't easy. No, man, rebels are a rough boy, you know? Yeah, man, rebel. You're very, very rough, man. I mean, how you can step up in your music still. I mean, when time man move, you know that? You rebel. Yeah, man, when time rebel move in your music, you know, you know. Rebel, youth and green.
Yeah, I'm a dimension for the me experience there. 1,
Shabba.
2,
Yes, a Shabba
3,
come out, you know.
4 times. Encounter death. First time I died, come out of this body, I was like probably about 11 years old. I going to school. Bicycle accident. Like 8 o'clock in the morning. I ain't come back to my body till like about 8 o'clock the next day. In the hospital when I was in
Bad place, you know.
like I'm up there like a global light just floating. And it was peaceful. Until when I looked down, I saw my body and was back into around it with tubes and all of that. And I rushed back to stop them. That's when I started feeling pain. I came back in my body. What? I lived through that, go up, we stayed where I leave home, end up in foreign. Working on my job one day, operating a machine and something. Break loose on the machine and hit me right there. Broke my nose, broke my top gum. See that? I broke that right there. End up in the hospital for about 2 months. I gotta eat out that straw. Put my food in the blender and blend it up and put it in the straw and soak it. Yeah. I survived that. I was young. Come back up. Working another time on another job and blow in a black drop in my head. And wipe me out. When I come back around, like around there swell up, around there swell up. Whoa, headache like that thick for about 6 months. When the black hit me in my head, I dropped. in my butt. Probably was on scarf about 12 feet up. And I drop on my butt. My top go up, teeth and my bottom teeth and clump together. And the doctor them say he bust a tissue. Or something they say bust up top. And make the gum just spread out. I died then inside. You know? Because when I wake up in the hospital, I said, I ain't know nobody. About just strange faces. Yeah. But then, it's like inside of me, I just say, you know what? You can't make it. Nothing defeat you. You got to defeat everything. So I rise up, come back up out of that there. And as time goes on, my teeth start giving me a problem. More and more till the end of that. I had to start going back to the doctor. Doctor start working on my teeth them. They had to make them bigger than ugly than put me more like I had 2 pounds of them in my mouth, you know. I can't talk, I can't sing. Shit, man. I had to go through a whole lot of things. Learn how to talk again. Till my tongue like the doctor said my tongue will shrink to accommodate this damn plate. Yeah. Well, I guess they know what they were saying. It happened that I'm talking now. And you see the song now, yeah, you know, sing, but it's like in my memory. Sometimes I was thinking about. And it take a while for it to come back. And that's why I really, with music over there, set me back. Because the people don't want me, when I link up with them where I do music, when they start finding out because these things will happen to me. I ain't holding up where I supposed to hold up. I'm a business I lost. I had my clothing store and all that time. Doing all, and I end up losing all of that right behind that. But I ain't make it get me down. I keep pushing on until I use my skill for building furniture to start remodify cars. Start take them apart, take the body out of the frame, cut it up, put bigger hinge in. I start learning that part about vehicle car, I love driving fast. So I learned a lot of things, but just start cutting them up and make them over. And that's how I come up with ideas like doing things to them where regular car don't have. But not knowing that was great creativity for the take to the patent attorneys and get a patent for it, and so I can take it. When I start learning that writer should, they mean copy about 3 or 4 different things. So yeah. The last thing I designed before I got deported, I designed a car fragrance thing where you press a button. Once you press a button, the fragrance come out. You can have a spot the way it come out, that you can make it come out in the vents while the AC blowing. Me know some thief, they don't want thief when they took on my truck. Police pulled me out and took on my damn truck to blow down the car with that shit and lock me up and charge me for the serum clip twice so they can get me at that country. So they, but I filed 12-year patent for it. The 12-year yet not quite up yet. But right now the academic we're going on over there. I ain't going back over there and that shit for what? For the damn money and American money, you look at America. $20 bill real good. You see one black man hang down with one rope around his neck. You know one bill there. For the $20 bill. And if you go back over there, go slave for that bomber clot all around with them. And if you look on the dollar bill to bomber clot, you can see one marijuana leaf in the damn corner. And every damn time to rascal, I didn't catch you with one spliff, the one rascal, I charge you for it. So pussy clot, them put the damn marijuana leaf on it. Fucking idiot, them. They think everybody deaf, dumb and blind. Yeah, but Marley say, you can fool some people some of the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. But I am one of them bumbleclats you can't fool all the time. One bumbleclat trying to get with me. After that, I erase me, I erase your ass coming off. Worry about you, know, damn, I'm trying to for food.
So now, when we upload this,
No ganja on it.
I have to now say explicit language coming and go edit out nothing. You see me?
Yeah, make it raw, because that's how they make me feel in natural life. Raw. You think I do say that this image that they oppress me, man, they oppress me whole heap of bomb buckle time when me come from another planet in a different image. And they still oppress me. Because I am who I am. Me got the genes in me to represent the highest of the highest, the most high. Yeah. I am the first in the human race. I am the first creation of the most high. And creation. In Mother Earth is my keeper, my protector, and my provider, and my defender. And they know that shit. And they might try to, they might try to rip out the earth from up underneath it. Take out the substance.
And people, they tell them where no cost will come for people. And no cost them.
Hey man, listen, all we have to do, man, is live life without fear. And know that we are eternal beings. African people. And hell with that damn word about damn black people, because they want you to live in a pure damn darkness where you can't see no damn light. That's why they want to put that damn status on your ass about you're black. We are African people. Hebrew African people. That's who we is. And we came from King David bloodline. Yeah. And that's where we came from. And then they fucker want to come bomb buck and limit man to one boom boom, one this, one that, like who the hell you is? We came from royal priesthood where we can't have any bomb buck thing we want to have. And then I come bomb buck you see our politics. I know people don't know say two of them are the same damn thing, you know.
Politics and religion.
Out here, so they seem like two different people warring against one another.
Politics and religion.
But you see, when you come down to the background back there, sir, they both of them are defend the same damn thing, world control, world power. Oh.
The church can control the whole world.
See, that they use and control people, man, them damn religion concept of things. All them people who are on top of them and serve Jesus, boy, if they ever know the truth, what I know.
But that's why they
say me unruly, I devil picking it. I bet the preacher man now go tell them say good and evil in everybody and in him. And love will teach him how to hate, and hate will teach him how to love. And you know, I will tell them that because they must take time out to start think now and start see themselves different.
Fast and reach that far.
Well, enough of them don't. Because I go out in the church and right there and hear them in there, there's a hall and a makeup and hold up at them nice and I said, damn. I don't ever know so why is it there? I listen to him. I play a damn fool, dictating, pagan philosophy. Out of them principle book. Into the digging and going down the rabbit hole deeper and deeper. Hey, listen here, man. You think them people want, if they have one invisible imaginary heaven to go, you think they want black people to be in that heaven with them? So where the fuck black people are running down that bomb clock and say they can't be in that heaven?
No, black people can't go to bomb clock. And white people and Jesus is a white man. And white people are locked down.
Yeah. Number one, they tell us that the God was supposed to love you there. They give you him two in white and make sure say the same color as them are the oppressor.
White silky hair, man. Can't be my God.
You know, at 13 different Christ crucified on the planet, you know?
I bet that interview mash up the place, right?
Yeah. 13 different Christ. Me discover, call me search history. I come to know about all in them holy pa them Jesus Christus and all them damn holy pa fantastic pretty ass damn word then to make put up together the trick people their mind to blouse and skirt. What you think? And this a white one where they just come crucify to ask for salvation. And white people need that bomb class salvation. Because I feel them God crucified for them. Yeah. And them Nephilim race. And them needed their salvation. Me came to this damn planet with salvation. When we come to this physical, we come here with salvation. Eternal existence of the Most High inside of me. Life is forever. Oh. You know, see, sometimes I sit down and think about how they trick my mama and daddy to bomb up one time. The money we didn't take, should have takes. Discover, say, me have good attribute, a talent. Learn to realize that what kind of bomb up picking you make on a damn planet here. And invest your money in your bomb up picking it, you're picking it, your investment. You know, see. And take the damn money where you can go get a damn preacher man if you sit up there and dictate bumbleclad pagan philosophy to you. And send me go to music school and invention school, go improve my damn God-given talent, the Most High gift inside of me. To be a creator like him. You know, see. You know, say, me allow me make you man, yeah. You know that? Yeah. Just like the Most High. I made 2 human beings. A boy and a girl. Yeah. Because in my mind, which is my God quality, when me depend upon pum I work it, I am creating my little girl in my mind and it come out in a woman and come to this planet. So I will make it. Now the Most High inside of me. In my mind, when can I go anywhere and do anything in work, and that they happen the same thing with my son. Yeah. But because I know they come out in a Babylon and get corrupted with Babylon philosophy, in mind power control, to keep them focused on certain things in certain ways. Me don't have that full control of them like that. Because I see they come up in this whole heap of them rules and laws and all of them shit. We even want to give them rights over me, you know, say, if me see them going the wrong way, and me keep on telling them, say, hey, don't go that way, and they keep on going there. I say, don't, hey, I'm going to slap him across his there. Hey, man, come back over here, sir. I said, don't, me not looking for kill him. Me just a slap him right across his head, make him come back. Realize, say, he going the wrong way. But Babylon, I was telling him, say, no, you know, say, if your daddy do that right, if you get you back on the right track, come and tell me, and me can lock up in bumbo clot and make you know, say, he can't lick you. What kind of thing is that right there? And my investment that? That's my child. I'm the one fuck I make him. Was you there sweating with me? Was you there thinking with me? And I'm a God quality and my mindset that me want? You wasn't there. So when you can come make rules to me, say me know to carry mine and keep on the right track. When it go off of the right track. And I didn't see one go put in that damn principle book where they say, thou shalt not save the rod and spoil the child. Eh? So now all of a sudden they got changed the rules now. If you suit them now. Yeah. But what about we who want to keep our investment on the right track so you don't go astray and we'll get caught up in a them bumbleclad prison system? Yeah? And them have fun too. You up to me alone, you see.
Press the button.
Recycle.
Done them.
But Jamaica make you feel good though.
Yeah. You see, Jamaica is like, I always have Jamaica in my heart when they are foreign. But because I go over there and start a family, and knowing how I raised up home where mama and daddy was always there, I just have the feeling where I got to imply the same within my children life because they are my investments. So I couldn't just ignore them and just shut back at Jamaica. While I was over there making sure that happened, I go through some rough times on the rough side of survival. But I never let it get me down, and I would keep on pushing and pushing and pushing until he even get me to the point where I got caught up in a gunfight at my house. Nigga come try to rob me. Well, they hit me in my head with the gun. And when I realized that, then we started fighting, and then I end up got my hand on the gun. And when I tried to put a bullet in that damn bomb clot, only 2 bullets was inside it, and they missed and go in the back of the refrigerator. So Then get panic and run. Yeah. But from there, it's like they set me back. They take my keys to my vehicle, my house. I got to change all the locks in my house. I got to get new keys for my vehicle. I take a lot of money out of my damn pocket. Shit, I am a survivor. And at the time, not being able to work because of the damn disability and all the whole different sickness with the nail on for me. Shit, what else I'm gonna do? Hustle. So I see, I had to hustle to get my house back secure. And at the same time, Babylon call and say, want to watch me. So what I'm doing, so then call and say, catch me with some weed. At first, it wasn't enough to fuck up my life. So I didn't keep it and use it a second time with me. To fuck up my life. So in a way, yeah, they say, well, do Caesar get the Caesar. The material shit on this material realms that's there. They have that bumper clad. But you see right now, me come back on the spirit realm. And me can obtain some higher knowledge and some higher power, some higher quality that me gain out of the bumper clad named King Peck. You know see it? So what me do now? On a higher level, living better. Me not depend on material vanity thing no damn. I for them. What do the Caesar? Well, let Caesar have it, right? I didn't create this damn vanity world, this material damn things and drag we into this shit. Yeah. And they have me over there into this shit, blindfolding this shit. To in time, then I don't know, them things I get too smart or what. Or because I set up an invention company and start design things to make billions of dollars and none of them in control of it. I feel me, I want to think about it and dream it up, build this shit in my head, and then me put it in reality, make it work. So I mind. I don't need you to control none of that right there. I set my own thing up my damn self. And when they find out that, I know, cause I didn't know it at the time, but as I left from there and because I know people over there and I go on my computer and I come to realize that's a part of all the why, the blackmailing why I got deported. Because I'm a black man, a Jamaican, one of the unruly soldiers in the country. Now, working hard to become a millionaire without them in control of the money, because of them. You see? But now that we realize that in their money full of them corruption because they have people of my color, of my race, hang up on one rope in a one building, panding $20 bill. Eh? Me go back to go slave for them $20 bill where I represent them hanging African people. Me. Crush the world. Crush the world. Shit. Listen, man. Them upgrade me. I am upgraded. Now I am a prized fucking possession because I know who I am now. Yeah. Before they deport me and send me back into the jungle. Shit. I ain't know who I was. But now, yeah, I know who I am now. Listen, man, from the original time, the whole entire planet Earth is our home. From the original time, the whole entire planet Earth is our home. And them come up and come corrupt, you know, and split up and put up all the whole heap of different law, this and law that, you know, where they make now for survival. We have to run from this place over here, so where we got roots, you know, all of that right there. If you go over there, so go work for them big dollar, mighty dollar, build up their system, build up their country. And while we did down here, so I mash down and fall apart. You see, because they set up that little trick thing to make it seem like it's better that over there. But for me, who go over there and experience and live it, yeah, I learned a lot of things over there. And how I see it, the same breath that make me breathe life over there will make me breathe life here. And the knowledge, kind of the stars that are born and rule under.
It's a tripod, a little stick.
I would still be a creative person. And the things that
inside of the body. Go on.
the things that I would do
Right open now.
in my country, it would like more beneficial. Not only for me, but for people of my race in my country. Yeah. So no, I'm back here in Jamaica. A lot of people learn things from me since I've been here, and I learn a lot of things from people since I've been here. And that's what life is all about. Every day we're in school. You might not be in the classroom, but every day you're in school. And every day is judgment day. Every day you got to make the right judgment for doing what's good or what's bad. So every day is judgment day. And these things that waking up the reality when I hear this voice in my head talking to me. Hey, that ain't a friggin' damn dopey. That's a real me talking to me because I'm reasoning with my heart. Yeah. When you reason with your heart, you hear the real you. Because we're the most I there. No.
All right.
No, better. In the top corner, you head, no, that's the most high there. Out this is divine there, so when the time you start reasoning with your heart to the most high, they're going to hear and answer you. In your head. Yeah. This one, man. Whoa. You know what I'm saying? I remember one time, I used to go to church, follow my mom and my daddy principle. And then when I started go to church, I started seeing some of my schoolmates them where we used to go to movies and go to dance and all that. I ain't seen them for a while. So when I go to church, I seen them at church because I have a half brother with their friend come to Jamaica and I preach Bible, chant Bible verse hard, So I go to church and go see, at that, I go see my schoolmate them go there. So I say, all right, let's see what's going on. Up in this church here, what's going on with this thing? So I go in there and they start preach and talk to you. They start make me feel guilty about the way how I'm living. And then boy, I fall into their concept of thinking. Start follow the principle until I leave and I go foreign. But when I go foreign, still following the same principle and I started having children. Now, I got to take part in my kids' education in school. So when my son go to school, then I go to school about certain things concerning him as a parent. It happened that some conversation was going on and I asked some question about Christian faith in the school. Either teaching things like that, then tell me something, no, you cannot teach nothing about religion and Christianity and all them something like in school. I said, then wait. What is? How come this principle book say, and then we came from, come to my part of the country, because I don't strive out all of that there already. So he come from America through the missionary, come to Jamaica. But how come they give it, say we live by the principle of this book? So we can get eternal life in everlasting paradise. And so if we live by it in Jamaica, so we can get all that. But when you come over and they teach you that in a school over here in Jamaica, to the time, look at time when we go to school out here, they teach about this Christian thing and sing all this in school out here. But over there, you mention about that I teach that in school, you go to jail. So tell me something now, how come the same one who give it to it? Isn't this eternal life in everlasting paradise is good for them? As well as we, how come we feel do all this to get it? But over here, you don't want to mention nothing like that. No, my kids them not grow up know nothing about the Christian faith when me grew up learn about. Because in my mind I was trapped by their illusion. So now me want to see if they teach my kids them the same thing. But now if you teach that nothing in school over there, you go to jail. So that make me start want to dig deep enough. Do I really want to teach this shit to my damn children there? Then? Because then teach it over there when we come to find out a slave master missionary from the slave master camp, he showed it out. So therefore, I feel them principle. So I must see them need that the same damn principle for their damn salvation. It ain't for me as an African. What the hell did Jesus die for me as an African? Eh? And he ain't black. He a white man. As in say, black. Use a word is simple, even though I don't use a word. You know. But did he die for me? He more look like he died for white people because he white and rash. But then so and then black man then they look on cross. Yeah? See that. We going to take time out and think, man, and looking at the reality of things. See.
You too.
Think we ain't reach anywhere like that there?
God, the soldier
No, we still on the day then go, man. See.
The soldier still.
I ain't know nothing about them history, a lot of history, but when I come out and start looking at a whole heap of history, think about Jamaica and they talk about Jamaica independent.
They couldn't read the people.
Why they got a damn cross when the Jamaican damn flag? Why the Jamaica put a farm? Why is it with a damn cross? And then why they put a goddamn alligator up on top of it? You know what that mean? Eh? With a alligator up on top of it, say that represent as independence. You know what that? Independent, my bomb, because when they put an alligator, you know what alligator mean? You can fight an alligator to survive. Eh? Let me show you how they control still upon you. They have a cross, the crosses, the Knights Templar crosses, still oppressing your ass. And you still jumping up, running down that damn flag. Talk about represent you as a African, Jamaican African. See, no, that's not represent you. That shit still run by the same slave master them. See. Anytime.
Make American money, you know. Paper just like free, you know. They go suck out there,
Well, due to what I know so well then, you know, the whole entire planet Earth is my home. I just make myself at peace wherever I'm at. Yeah. It ain't. Well, they say I was born in this part of the planet where the name Jamaica. But I know that I was born in this part of the planet that name the Garden of Eden. The whole entire planet is my home. The whole entire planet is the Garden of Eden. Everywhere you go up on the planet, you see fruits, you see every damn thing for heat, and that's the Garden of Eden. Babylon can't trick me with them bumbo eye they're talking, man. The whole entire planet Earth is my home. Shit. Sometimes you move from one part of the planet to another part of the planet, you obtain a different kind of energy because the whole entire part of the planet put out different kind of energy. Yeah. And sometimes you're there at a certain part of the planet and you notice the energy will feel around if you're paying attention, how the energy feel around you, how it make you feel, how it embrace your health and all of that right there. And you can decide if this is a pleasurable place to live or if it is not. Yeah. Since I came back when we there for now, you see from the same time I tell you about I went into a coma from the damn teeth problem where I had with the teeth. And I went to go to the dentist. Dentist give me some pill to take. He had to put me in a coma. I went in a coma like Sunday evening. I ain't came back out this till Wednesday morning. Yeah. And though all the time when I was in the coma, I was like traveling to zone place like this. Different colors like them right there. The zone. Everything is just pretty in just zone colors and all of that right there. Until I came back. And when I came back, it's like excuse me. I started feeling that musical energy. We're like, I gotta sing about something. But that time, sure, I lost the consciousness. I have to construct a song. I had to write it, verse, chorus, hook, and all them kind of things, bridges and all that. All of that lost out of my head. But I know that this feeling inside of me is to sing. And go on and on and on, and the feeling just there and there until one day, I have my music and everything set up in my house. One day, I take up one video, VCR. You know them big VCR thing? I take up one of them and stick it in the VCR and it start playing and look. I seen myself in a stage and I'm singing. And people singing and dancing and I got people around me and I'm saying, God, that's me. Then I start memorizing some things about then. Yeah. When I start memorizing some things back then, I start get back the energy. I start realizing this, shoot man, I'm way back. It's a lot of times and things pass by. You know what I'm saying? Like about 12 years a memory just away from me. Yeah. When I came back, man, it's like from then I started seeking out more ways to get connected back with music. And I ain't stopped seeking how to get connected, but how to get back how to compose a song. I ain't stop asking questions. I ain't care who look at me like I should have known. Shit, I ain't know. I'm asking you to know. I want to know. You know how this and how that goes. So shit. I deal with people where I can learn things from. If I look at you and analyze you and see where I can't learn anything from, I ain't wasting no time no more because everything for me in this one is an investment. And I got to see my investment how it going out because they trick me in the damn religion shit. So I ain't about the damn chicken shit no damn more. Everything is about me and an investment, and that's how I start moving with people. Start learning things. You see now? Man, I know probably about yeah, I got, but you know them exercise. Damn, I ain't have it out there. I ain't have my book out there today. But I got probably about 5 or 6 of them full of music, plus on my laptop. So shit, man, I probably each one of them book got 400 pages, I think. Yeah, and some of them I write song on it all the way, put back and forth. So I got a lot of song right, and then plus the whole Christian song that we are used to, right? Come me dash them with. Come me say me not sing none of them. But me I want all the song when I write, man. Especially on my laptop, I got a lot of music I write. Even the other day, one of my friends meant to call me and say he's setting up his studio and he has some rhythm and want me to do some songs. So I started spraying some music and I started thinking, damn, what to come up with? And then here it come in my head. Nobody like we, act like we, stepper like we, stepper forever. See it? Me not get no more.
No more.
But that song there, I write it and I ain't sing it. I ain't sing it yet. But you know when we step in at the street, you know, we spark like lightning, you know, and we roll like thunder. And we will put a cloud over them like a shadow in the dark. We eliminate obstacle.
Like light in
Nobody like we, act like we, stepper like we, stepper forever. King Peck said that. Yeah, for real. Until they know that, that's the reason why they're trying to erase us off of the planet, man. Who they can't control their mind. They want to imprison them. They make survival hard for who they can't control because the real God like you. Now bow down. Your king, you sleep on your throne and all that, you know, I step down and say, oh, if you want to make somebody else come take over. And that's your own, son. And if he don't present himself as that good quality for to carry out things in good order, you know, put him up there. Because you know, so sometimes you saw some seed in really come out good. Because you got one invisible, unseen. forces. Yeah, we interrupt things. Because first thing, the woman get pregnant, you know, then set up society, she have to go register a clinic. First, the doctor start run tests and do all this. And, yeah.
I care about to look more. Alright, so I'm in the bathroom. Alright, go.
I'll put it on YouTube.
Put him in as a virtual dark matter.
That's all they are.
I teach you,
Mm.
yeah, man, them forgot for all them TV thing they were going to see me. Come not to this, say, still me free. Because Jamaica, this so you have to know where you put the message. You see, yeah, make them hear the truth hurt.
Listen, man. Let me tell you something. I am me, and I'm always gonna be me in the physical and into the invisible realm. I'm always gonna be me. You see. But back to this, but you look a picnic. As soon as that woman get pregnant, she have to start go to clinic. Now, when doctors start run tests and joke with needle and this and that, I got the blueprint for all of them things that we are going on. Is you as a parent understand the concept of this blueprint is what going on really with your look unborn child inside of your belly. You know what kind of changes they're making when they're joking you with this needle and giving you this pill or that the pill to your look unborn child.
Make them artistic.
Is it to really take time out to think about this game kind of shit here? Is it just a physical realm with it and with this thing or with it and the spiritual affair where we wrestle against principalities and spiritual wickedness in high places? Those majority of the African people don't take time to think about none of that shit there. Because enough of them docile minded, then just follow. Well, shit, I wasn't born a damn follower. So I can't follow.
Yeah, I'm a teacher.
Yeah. It's in my nature to be who I am. So therefore, now that I know who I am, I ain't supposed to let no damn obstacles or barriers and control and all of them shit there stop me from being who I am. Yeah. I am a defender of love. Even though it teach me how to hate, but I understand why love teach me how to hate. Because you gotta hate some damn things to love some things, and you gotta love some things to hate some things. But still, I am a defender of love. Because I love why I'm here. Yeah. My daddy did love fucking pum pum, and my mama did love taking hold. And so, he make me come. Yeah. You think me I hide that from me picking and he teach my damn little daughter every damn thing for her. I look picking the bus. Right now she grow up and be responsible, take care of her damn self and give me 2 grandkids and raising it up damn good. With no foolishness in her mind. Because me teach her about this. You think me hide anything from her? Some man will just want to fuck your one because they say you be the first one who to top that. Yeah. I am a damn man and I had to look at a woman, young girl out there like that when I was out there. Yeah, I want to be the first one to top that girl. Moving to a new city and see another new girl. Yeah. It's in my nature to be like that. Remember I came from King David and King Solomon, lineage. So no much in my bloodline for one have more than one woman. Eh? And when me feel all these things, I go make words, man, writing a one damn book. If you control my damn mind, when me can write some words, if you control somebody's mind too. Said I am an inventor, and I am a music writer. Sometimes sing, if me not the right mode, in compose. Those are the things where I do. I like to create things, I like to design things, I like to make things. Yeah, that's me. Like this right here. It was really small and chuck up and I tear it down and at the same time I'm taking it apart and building it back at the same time. I see, tell it, make it into the set back the same way like how I had it before.
Refurbishing, more space there,
Yeah, I did it practically. I with this, I'm probably help me tear down the other one a little bit, but I build it back myself. The only problem I have now with the whole leak because I gotta get something to stop it. But soon,
stop it.
I shift into gear and I make things happen.
So what if me tell them I bring 2,000 books for you?
2,000
Books.
books. What kind of books?
African books.
And what I'm gonna do with the 2,000 books?
Make 2 million songs.
Make 2 million.
Songs.
Make 2 million songs.
Spread it among the youths them.
Yeah, man, you can sell them to man.
Right? Digital. All digital. I'll get your USB. You earn your drive today. And many men me want to meet will earn them archive when I bring down here. You earn it. And a many have your wisdom.
More is like King Solomon.
And a many me pass. But what I go give you, what me take from Babylon in the core, and you know say, what you talk and you know, only few have the courage to speak.
True, man.
But the information help to liberate those, you know, so the digital thing what we build, the drive, the black drive when we bring to Africa, we'll give the kings them. Because we have to go into the library, feed them with them teeth with thing in America. Jamaica don't have it.
Just send your come one.
You see?
Yeah.
So you have internet?
Yeah.
Good, good. So I go, you earn it. I could have give you some money, but I said, no. I'm going to take the money and get a drive for you. Because when I ship out, I'm gone, only certain people I want to leave it with, right?
Yeah.
Because in the wrong hands, you know, the knowledge must be spread. Yeah.
The book you have no value.
The books, them?
Yeah, like one of them like it have a value for
What you mean, man? When you see the list, every man you send one to him, I'm going to need another one. So you send him the whole list.
Yeah, but I like I wonder how the value stay up on it, you know.
So then you can, a man can say, yo, me need something.
You see all of
Send
them?
him another one. What me do? I'm going to shut this out.
Yeah.
Go on through. These are wire on a different level. We camouflage. We have the same mind, the same concept. Not just African in Jamaica, not just African in America, all them highlands. African all over the world. We have to have the same mind concept. That we're going to set up for a system where we don't need no damn money. We operate with one another for our survival once we in this physical image on this planet. Because on this realms, we have to survive by trading. So we set up a thing where we don't need no money for to do all of that right there. But we can live, we can survive. Because money, Babylon set up them things where you have to have money for the... And the thing, look at money, it's just a damn tool. It's a damn tool they use to get things done. And look how people go crazy for this damn tool. One too much I hate to write the clock and they can use all that damn tool one damn time. But they don't want to spread it to those who don't want to bring out the damn tool if we get some work done. And money is just a damn tool, a piece of damn material, damn piece of damn tool people use to get things done. And then use it and corrupt the mind of people in a way where I go make them ship in a drive, because I'll get you 8 terabyte. Because what I have to give you, it's going to take a lot of space. You see me? Because you earn it. I go drop it with you, because I go move out.
Alright.
You see me?
Well, when we get it, we have to read up on it and see what it's about or something like that.
No, man. A whole heap of information we want plant in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Like the Central Library. Because I leave out for Ghana.
Yeah.
We plant it in South Africa already. Things are moved.
Oh,
It took about 600 teachers to build it.
Yeah.
And it take 5 years to build it. And the elders at the foundation, them 80. Greatest teachers in the world. You go start from Kemetic, astrotheology, African history, all the way up. So at the liberation tool, we call it the black drive. We have the black key USB, and we have the black chip. So we keep compressing it and compress it and compress it so we can now copy it and disseminate it to the youth them. So in a year from now, I'll get you some black chips. So when them come in, just give to them. And then I'll come out for more. You see? So we are trying to digitize the institution.
You see everything is right, sir? Each one of them folder got one whole heap of information.
Yes.
In each one of them. And it's all about history.
Yes.
About religion, African history.
And them
Yeah.
Up to 5 million years
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Me search to find. Cause, hey, I got to go back. If I can go back inside of my head and my mind, my spirit and my soul and discover who I was.
Sure.
And my people them. As that genes exist in my great grandfather and grandmama. Till now.
You know, I'm one of the strongest I find in Jamaica. Many of them weak, you know.
I one of them ancient ancestral warrior there.
But him have to come, you see, if you know go America, you know, they are the school. I'm not at this to the library. So no Jamaican can speak like this.
And enough things him teach you where them never teach you in Jamaica what him learn.
Yeah. So I'm going to leave you in charge of the drive. Here, come I have to go ship out. I have to go keep moving. You see me, cause a long time, man, I camouflage the thing.
Listen, man.
I'm going to leave it with you.
I know that when I get took out of that vanity world, I don't even make it stress me out or nothing. I make myself happy and joyful and just say, here I am. Oh, great one. When you're ready to manifest your work, yourself, through all of this, so let it be.
Yeah.
So let it be. Listen, no people are afraid of this thing with ink called death. Not knowing that this is freedom from this chaotic world, because this is zone is a war zone with all them different alien beings warring for control upon this. This physical realm. Yeah. So they're afraid of this what they call death. Freedom out of this chaotic zone, man. Yeah. You know, we dig up on deep in history too. Me come upon one documentary where one pope, when there was a person preaching the concept of the pagan religion and certain people, they said, and if I saw you go, shoot, I want to die now and go to this heaven. So all the people them know they start killing all themselves. And when the Pope realized I did me I lose workers and slaves and all of that right there. Cause everybody kill half themselves to go to heaven. Cause if they dead then gone to heaven. He come up with one law say, you must go put out one law say, if you commit murder, you go into hell. So the people them stop kill off themselves. So now you can start build back in slave race.
Yes.
Again. Yeah. And the same thing I've seen with blindfold and trick people mind until right now. Yeah. Then look here, they want to talk about how come in that damn book then God say, he said thou shalt not kill. But then God kill off one whole heap of people in Egypt when Pharaoh in a rulership. Then how come this same God with them father said thou shalt not kill, but he might do and look how much all the people they went kill off with Moses when time Moses are carried into the wilderness. Then how come that the God there said thou shalt not kill, but you are the worst murderer? Aye. Look, man, what a whole heap of confusion in that book, man. If you who want to commit themselves to it, because then they can hand and serve themselves as the higher concept of the Most High inside of them. So they have to look for some image or something to follow in the serve, and that's what them and rule the children them discover, and they make sure say yes, this is it, here it is, worship it. Them a worship one of them damn Pope. Jesus as one of them damn Pope. That's who them a worship and I serve right now. I don't even know. Yeah, one of them damn Pope. This damn Jesus with them a follow and serve. And that the Jesus the way invent this concept of the Jesus. I him them a follow and so I don't even know because well yeah probably them the one who accept themselves as black people, they have to follow the black people concept what been teach to them. But for me who don't accept my damn self as a damn black man, I don't want to follow that damn concept or what they teach to them. Because that's what they want them to follow. That's what how can they have control of them mind to make them follow. It's just like they have one day what they call April Fool's Day. They do that day out there in Jamaica, don't they? Where they play tricks on people's mind, especially people who don't know how to read. So that same April Fool's Day, one of them damn Pope invented and calling people fools for the accept that damn philosophy where you can bring to them and they accept it. And the first day of April, so they call him April Fool. And it's still until this day.
Do you find sometimes when you speak to some Jamaican here, their mind closed until you show them certain things?
Yeah. Some of them, especially the women, them stay far from me. Because once they discover some men of Jesus lover, them things say, I am a unruly child. I can't deny that. I am unruly. Because I'm not following and submitting to that damn principle what they teach because I know better. And those who when they hear me talk like that, they just stay far from me. But hey, he spare me headache in a lot of ways where I know that those who overstand and them the one that know them, when them see them the one that who them know and who overstand, start eating a little bit of the gravy and the food and all that right then we take that easy and I don't want to come get the ear because some of them is like them. What they say then dark. Yeah. Then some of them like say if them pass by me and say good morning, it's like
black heart man.
Oh yeah, probably so. So me be the first one to say good morning, evening, or whatever. You know, so they get to know me. See, I'm not no monster. Yeah. See, I'm ugly, but I ain't no damn monster. And then again, I can be a monster. It depends on how you treat me, how you act with me. Cause if you're gonna come to me, come out like say you want to turn me an idiot, then you want a problem with me now. Cause I'm a warrior for my rights as being who I am. You ain't gonna bow me down. Yeah, you gonna have a problem because this a guardian and I step down. Well, since me kind of kid and say, yeah, video me, if you put me up, so me I try to hold back the nature that rebuke those unruly spirit with those words. So yeah, but Jamaican and people all over the world must know that these are my words of defense. My words are my weapon. And goddamn it, if you get in my damn way, me I go use my damn weapon to defend my damn territory. So when you hear me use my damn words, they are as effective.
Yeah, take it serious, you don't know.
All right. My words is my weapon. Who don't know that the words are the weapon, they have a problem. But I know that my words is my weapon. Because when you use the word, people take heed and pay attention and follow. Oh, so you can use them words in many ways, because they say words is power, don't it? What if you know the power of the word and use the word?
They teach me I use say that God use and make the world word.
Alright.
They say sun rise, night come, land rise. I go word then tell me say God use and make the world. So that means say the word is very powerful.
Yeah. Then I must.
So now, you have internet, right?
Yeah.
You have to launch out the base as a channel.
I'm the one make a point to see where King Peck teach me.
Yeah.
Or like Kingston City, you know, the garrison, to show the ghetto youth them thing where were born at Jamaica and never see. So I tell you come like a jack, send them money for free up. The ghetto youth them at Jamaica out of Babylon, mental, slavery. And them done all done physically with their money, straight. Y'all looking at your third eye now. Them man they start show for open with third eye. You see me stop just as see show with two eye, cause they will show you things and trick you. They will tell you things and trick you and tell you lie. So when you see the truth for yourself and hear the truth for yourself, and your third eye open, you know what is right from what is wrong. And so man, we can just tell you some things like say a right thing, they might tell you when a wrong thing. They must say if you have a teacher, the teacher the difference, you do the wrong thing and don't even know you think it's right. So I'm glad say King Peck forward. Because them man they make you know all the difference and how I go on. You see me, I'm sure they get to you them that and they must say John know. First they must see them thing here. And we born in Jamaica and about Jamaica issue they must teach you. I mean never see them teach that on TV yet. Show that on TV yet. And it's a Rasta man from foreign can teach me how I go on in Jamaica. Me we born in Jamaica. Never see them thing there. So you can see say them know enough things at Jamaica. And most of all done in them system. So they can just control it like we are them slave all in a 2020. Mental slavery are go on, you know. So if we don't have some warrior can free up mental slavery. Every day we are slave same way, you know. So I just send them money come for free up. Not forget to you out of mental slavery in a Jamaica. You see you pray. Bless up.
Subscribe to the movement, Supremacy Productions on YouTube.
What's the name of it?
Supremacy Productions. Subscribe to the movement.
So now I have to upload the King Peck.
Well, me always about defending, you know, my race of people, you know. Because it's like how we got 5 fingers from one hand. And so we have to volunteer unite together for every cause. You see? Because if you decide in your mind, say, you are going to knock out somebody, immediately, them 5 fingers voluntarily unite together for the same cause. If in your mind you say you're going to juke a man in the eye, immediately them 3 fingers they voluntarily move out the way. So them 2 fingers you can do the work because they are the one that's supposed to do that work. Anytime we start know ourselves and know who is qualified for what and unite together for the same damn cause, all of them damn hell and invisible demon spirit, indivisible one them, losing bumbleclad power. Because you see, up on top of the pyramid, we used to that look eye up there, so we didn't talk about the unseen high. Yeah, me don't know about that already. Way up in the galaxy, we didn't call the unseen high. Long time ago. You see, don't I bottom down here, so? And we are the power that hold you up.
I'm new to
But by me coming back here, knowing that this is my country, where I was born, I was born here. But I don't limit myself to just being here. I see the whole entire planet as my home. So I just make myself happy and be peaceful anywhere. So it's just survival. Our system set up for you to survive and make way. Now, my experience on this planet, I like the share read through knowledge with my people where I discover. They set me free, right? They say the truth they set you free. Yeah, I discover the truth that set me free. I don't want to be selfish and keep it to myself because it's like I see we as the 5 finger, the race of people, excuse me, as the 5 finger. So that means we're supposed to be on one hand, one movement, one thinking, the same power. Nobody is supposed to, beside your intellectual gift for creativity and all that, right? Nobody is supposed to be bigger and better than nobody. Because we are all about the same cause. In everything, we about the same what? One damn cause. In everything. So nobody no bigger and better than nobody. So, all over the globe, we different with one another. You know, make the difference if you live in Jamaica, you live in Africa, Europe, or whatever. We both the same cause. We different one another for the same damn cause. Because the way we spread out all over the world now, which part of Africa we're going to run, go back to Africa, go say, we'll take up and build a nation for ourselves. Africa now go all the way. Eh?
World.
So the whole entire world is our Africa, is our home, is our garden of Eden. The whole entire planet Earth is our garden of Eden. So everywhere we defend one another for the same cause. Until when we start pray this and know this here, see so we have to live on the planet here. We're gonna always be the underdog. And to me, who like to be a winner, not necessarily have to be in a spotlight all the time. Because sometimes I like people look at me too damn much. Because me fucking ugly. I mean sometimes you stay up on me too much. Me feel like, yeah, look at me ugly ass too hard. I mean, you know? Yeah, express myself. Yeah, might be found ways where some people don't like. And some we just like and walk away. Well, that's me. But we have to be about the same one damn cause, about the same damn thing. It's just like it would be like a damn movie. If you find a traitor in a gang, what you do with them? Get rid of him, eh? Expel him. He can't be around. Yeah. So who not down with it? He can't be around. What you wait till you hear my song? Too much stranger in my circle. Give me suspicious feeling. I don't know who the fuck to trust. You know what I'm saying? Because you got years behind the wall and eyes in the bushes. Who? You can't really trust all these whole heap of different strangers in your circle. No, so let's clean it up. And just have one set of damn people in your damn circle. So you can know who is who. Until we start see the shit as African damn people. We ain't gonna have the power and control and leadership and the upgraded standard of living where we need to have and should have. Because number one, you have some greedy people where they want to have it all by themselves. And then when you look down here, so it's one person down there, so and you would have come up, in IQ would have come up from 45 to 95 if you can get some love, a caring heart and a helping hand. There's another one of my song, we need an helping hand. Yeah, when you listen to that song, me up on YouTube, King Peck.
King Peck.
Yeah, on Facebook, Ronald King Peck.
Ronald King Peck.
Yeah, you find me upon them. But when you have someone to give with a caring heart and a helping hand, the IQ at 45 now can come up to 95 or even 100 because instead of you just kick it aside and make it stay and fade away and get weaker, it is a plant. And it's in the soil where it will grow if you put some water to it and some original, what we call it, grass, dry up grass, mulch it and all that, peeling skin and all of that right there. Raise scientifical fertilize, African way. It's going to grow and come up. When we start see with one another like that right there, yeah, then we can be what we're supposed to be on this planet in a this damn realms. We want to shine like that in a spotlight. But until we start see it like that, man, and live like that, and feel like that, and know it like that right there. Kill the hate virus, you know? The dirty virus, the killer virus, we got to get rid of that out of our society from among us. And that you will hear it by my side. But
So give me the name again.
King Peck.
King Peck.
Yeah, that's on Facebook. Not Facebook, on YouTube.
YouTube King Peck.
Yeah. And Facebook. Ronald King Peck.
Ronald King Peck.
Yeah, when you go up on there, you will see my other link there with the Hank Life. You see One Locks KP. And you see King Peck on there. You see all them things they know. You like, man, the sense of promotion is just like, I don't know, it's like it.
Destiny.
It dull out for me. So that I need somebody who know about the kind of their part of the social media thing to push them things and make it. So it can stimulate me back now for want to get back in the driver's seat in that fast lane again of my people. Because what I do, it ain't for me alone, it's for me and my race of people. Because I'm defending my race of people. You know, see? Cause after me reading all of the principle book, when me hear that the God they say he love Jacob but Esau he hate. Me say them bumbo like the God have split personality in love. So why shouldn't I have split personality in love? I don't have to love every damn body. Because God say he don't love everybody. Eh? Oh, I didn't principle book say that. I know me make it up. You know, so like I love my race of people. And I want to do things that are beneficial to my race of people. And that's why I be creative in designing things where some people don't have that brilliancy for the make it. But by me having the brilliancy for the make it, yeah, I make it, and I would like for it to get out where it more than just me alone can enjoy the benefit of it. Yeah. So that's how I live my life. I was here for a purpose, for the serve. I am a seed planter. So I must plant good seed in good deeds, in good things. You know, so I'm here. Well, it is a task. Yeah.
Salute.
I'm always looking to challenge things to see. Because I want to know.
Yeah.
What's wrong with want to know?